Hey, come on in. Would you like a cup of coffee or a cup of tea, maybe some filtered water? I have juice in the fridge. Come on in, make yourself at home. Relax, sit back. I have some paper crafts I'd like to show you. Hi. All right, let's start with some cards that I made recently. This one I used from the Annie's card maker kit. I used this. I followed their directions for making this card. This bee is raised. This bee is raised. And this little sign is raised. And this big bee is raised. The only thing not raised is the honeycomb and this bee here. And it is blank inside. All these cards I'm going to be showing you are blank inside. Okay, I did not follow a tutorial for this. I just put this one together myself. And this is a raised butterfly. And then I learned this technique from someone on YouTube where you use two different decorative papers side by side, or sometimes you cover maybe a third of your page with this paper and then the other with 2/3. Yeah, it's a good way to use up your scraps. And this butterfly is raised. And then there's this one, same technique with the two different papers. And there's a paper underneath as well to make a little border around. And then there's this one. This is raised. It's two little flowers. Now on to the Halloween cards that I made. I got some really cool stickers at, where did I get them? Dollarama. Yes, Dollarama. Ooh. These stickers came from Dollarama. I put gold border around these. I had this bling I put on here. This is actually from a website. I'll put that link below where they have a lot of clip art and things that you can print and use. So this one's raised and I put a gold backing on that one as well. I really love these stickers. They're raised in themselves, you know. And then I made this one. This is also from that website. I put a purple backing on that and it's raised. And then these stickers are from Dollarama. This paper I also got at Dollarama a long time ago. Not that long ago, but long enough. Finally using some of it. It's sparkly. And here's another Halloween card. These stickers, this is raised. You can feel it when you go like this. And this sticker and this sticker and this sticker are all from Dollarama. Here's that sparkly paper from Dollarama. This paper here is from Annie's card maker kit. This picture here of the owl and the pumpkin head child is from that website. I think it's called Graphic Fairies, but I'll put the link below. There's a lot of stuff on there you can print and use. I put a gold border on this, and that says, "We hoot a Halloween greeting to you." And I am the crafty yarn owl, so that's why there's an owl. And on each of these cards, I'm going to be putting like this one, created by Crafty Yarn Owl with Darla on YouTube. It's just something I printed and glued on. Yeah. So I just have this one. I didn't put my sticker on the back yet. All right, so those are those cards. And then I have this other card. I think it's called trifold card or trifold envelope or pocket, something like that. I actually followed Cajcrafts tutorial. So I'll put the link to her tutorial in the description box showing this card. So this is the cover of it. And this is raised, and I left this sticking out. And then you open it. And on this side, you just do some decorating. And on this side, this is a pocket. And I made a little envelope to go in it. But you can leave it like this and put whatever you want in there, stickers or anything. But I made this little envelope. And I've closed it off with a yarn bow. That's the back of it. So that goes in there. Then I put this to match this that I had put here, just to go on there, because I didn't realize I'd be making an envelope to go into this pocket until after. So I thought that would look nice if it's, you know, runs along together. Then you open, or you turn it. And this is the back of the card. There's my name on there, my channel name. And this is a pocket. You could put whatever you want, stickers, die cuts, ephemera, whatever you like. All right, so then you open it this way. And this here, this is raised. And I decorate a little bit. And you open this up. And it's a little booklet that you can write in. And then I tied it down with yarn. And this is just the back of the little book. And then over here, this is called a belly band. And it lifts up like that. And you could put stuff in there to give to people. And this is just some border that I got from, I think it was Dollar Tree. And then that's the front again. So if you see anything in this video you like, please be sure to check like and subscribe. Normally I do crochet, but I'm into paper crafting now too. And I love your comments. Make sure you comment. This is something else, another tutorial I followed from Cajcrafts. This is the front of it. I'll put the link to her tutorial down below, of course. This is a little raised flower. It looks like a book. This is the back. This is just a piece of paper here that I used. It is called this Glossy Accents. And I just put that on there. So it almost looks laminated. And this is the bottom of it. And then just the top. So what you do is you put a ribbon or whatever and tie it. And that's how you would open it to get into it. Now I have to say, before I open this and show you everything that's in here, I'm not always good at following directions when it comes to measuring things, so I screwed up a little bit. It has nothing to do with Caj's tutorial. It's all me. I've been like that all my life. So I had to improvise a little bit. So I'll tell you what happened. So you're to make these little box things here, one on each side. And I measured incorrectly. Here's my other one. And I had to make another box, and I know it, I glued it on crooked, because this is to close up and then meet together. Well, it still didn't meet together for me. So I put these little flowers, and they have some depth to them. Cajcrafts sent me those too. So this way, now it closes together. So then I decorated here. These back here in this little pocket, these are just papers that I've cut and folded. There's 3 here, and they're just little cards you can put notes in. So that's 3. This is great for using up scraps as well. So I've put those in there. And I'll just go over to this other side, put a little blue flower just as an accent color. And then I made some envelopes to put in this one. Now these envelopes, I think I did a really good job of this first one. And the little note papers I just showed you, one would go inside, you know, when you send this to somebody or send this whole thing to somebody, right? And then of course I measured incorrectly, so these ended up being a little more narrow than the other one. Let me just compare. They're a little more narrow. And my fold is not as long, and the envelopes are taller. Anyway, so I had to cut down a couple of my cards to be able to fit in here. So I cut a couple of these down. Now they fit. So these are my other envelopes. So I did ruin a couple of papers. That's why I had to switch to these papers here. Yeah, so those go in that other pocket, and then let's see, they go right in there. It's a little bit taller, but that's okay. That's okay. I just have to put my Crafty Yarn Owl sticker on this too. So in this pocket in the front here, this extra pocket, it's like, boy, I need something to put in there. So what I've done is I put this flower paper. It's actually a die cut that I got in a bag from Dollar Tree. And then I put it on this fancy paper clip. And then this is a flower from the same pack this flower was from. And so that's just, I just folded it over, just put it on there as a bag topper. And then inside here, I have it taped closed, but there's flowers. Flower die cuts and stickers. And there's also some confetti. There's not sure if you'll be able to see these. These are wood pieces. There we go. Wood pieces, just for decorating purposes. Yeah, so this is how this goes on here, the bag topper. And then it's held on there with the paper clip. And then it goes back in here. So Caj, thank you for these wonderful tutorials. And I like to put that flower just over top of that one. And you could still see the papers in the back. So this weekend, this Saturday, October 24th, 2020, we're going over to, well, I'm going over to card maker crafter's place. We were there a month or more ago. I can't remember. It's on my channel. But we made some cards and things, and we're all content creators. There's Kelly. I'll put her link below. She is Life of a Millwife. Then there's Karen Pruden. Karen Pruden's Let's Stitch and Make Up. She was there. And this Saturday, there's going to be Cindy from the Crocheter A. And I've met her before. We're all content creators from Manitoba. So it's so awesome. 3 of us live in the city. 1 is out in the country a little bit. So that's going to be a lot of fun. I can't wait. I may do a live. I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure Kelly's going to do a live. But yeah, I'll put all their links below. So it's going to be a craft along. It's going to be so fun. It was fun last time. We had lunch. We're going to have lunch again this time at Kelly's place. It's going to be a lot of fun. All right. So thank you so much for joining me today. And I will see you again soon.